Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to block someone on the Signal Messenger application in 2021 on your iPhones. It's actually really simple to do. All you have to do is head over to the Signal application and open that up. You then want to find the chat of the person that you want to block. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a quick chat here. And what you want to do to block the person is just go to their name at the top of your screen, click on their name, and at the very bottom here, you'll see block user. You will no longer receive messages or updates from this user. So you can just go ahead and click on block user and block. And then it will say this user has been blocked. So you're successfully blocked that person. You don't have to worry about them sending messages or anything to you again. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to block users and block someone on Signal in 2021 on your iPhones. This video does help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.